So how can you change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone? So there are two options. You can either delete the whole story and re-upload it to include everybody and not the close friends or the close people on Instagram, but you can also add more people to the close friends list if you want to keep the original story. So you can literally just open up your Instagram like that and manage your close friend list inside of these settings. So in your profile, tap on the settings and you can manage your close friends right there. And you can essentially add more people to the list so they will be able to see your existing story for the close friends. After it's done, perhaps you can remove them and then publish the stories regularly to the public. But as of right now, if you already have some story which is only being shared with the close friends, you can add more people so they can see the story that you posted. So that's how it works. That's how you can add more people right there. Let me know below in the comments if it works for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one. And I'm gonna catch you later in the future videos.